Okay, cool. Thanks, Linda. If we go to our auth controllers, so in our auth controllers, we have here our cons. We're requesting users from a model and user model. Then we've got a const, which is creating our user secret token, which we're requesting from util utilities, and then we in the secret tokens, then we consting our bcrypt, which we uh, requesting from bcrypt JS. So now we've got our function that runs our submit form. So we've created a module, we exporting sign up. Then we've got here our const, which is our email, password, and username. We request the body. Then we got here on line 15 our const token, which um, is equal to the create secret token user ID, which calls the function that creates the units for secret token. Then we're requesting the cookies, which is the tokens that basically goes on the with the client end, so the front side. Then we've got request status 201, and then if and then it sends a message if the user has successfully signed up, then it will prompt that. If not, then it will catch an error and then console log the error. So now if we go to our login, so we've got another module here exporting the login. This is just handling all the login functions. On line 34, we've got our token, which is equal to our secret token and user ID. Then we're requesting the cookies, which is the tokens with the credits for the client side, for the front end side. Then after that, we requesting status 201, which just saying your user has successfully logged in. So if we go to our secret tokens, so here we doing a const for JWT, and we're requesting it from JSON web token. Then we're requesting .env config. Then we have a module where we're exporting our secret tokens, which is equal to the user ID. Then we're returning the JWT sign with the ID, and then we're processing the ENV and the secret token. So then if we go into our ENV, we can see where we're connecting to our database, and then we can see the port we're running on, and then we can see our token key is where we're defining it in the ENV, and we're putting it to a secret agent. Okay, so Linda, if we can go to Postman. So here on Postman side, we created a post request. So we've got our headers, which is content type application JSON. Then if we go to our body, we can see we've got our format, which is the email, password, and username. As I explained, that's what we need to sign up. So, and if we successfully signed up, it will create the user, and it will give us a JSON body with the message your user has successfully signed up, with success true, and then all your users information. So then, and it will give us the user's ID basically. And then if we take out the sign up and we go to log in, we go /login, then we can take out the username because you don't need the username to log in, and then we can send it, and it gives us an error, but there we go. But we know it should be working because we've logged in on our front end. There we go, we've got a message, user successfully logged in, success true. And then, yeah, that's it. And then basically for the env, we're just connecting to our MongoDB and your or Mongo Compass. Cookies. And then, I would agree because it would recognize that the user is logged in and it would recognize that the user's ID is unique to that user. Ag- Yeah. I was gonna say it's to store the user's information on your web browser when you've logged in.